Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. Here we have our 2014 Ram 1500, and let me share some information with you about why this is going to be your next truck. Okay, for starters, this thing is phenomenally clean. This is the Outdoorsman package, which I absolutely love, and we'll get into details why I love this thing so much here very shortly. But this one is going to give you your fog lamps there, of course your tow hooks. I love the body color grille and the body color moldings there. You do get your wind deflector there on the front. You're going to get your premium alloy wheels. The tires are in great condition in this one. You have your signal lights underneath your mirror, which is nice, keeps you big and visible. This one's going to have your running boards, and one thing you can look there is that this one does have the big back doors. This is the Crew Max truck, which is going to be the largest cab. Keep in mind that if you see four doors on a truck, it doesn't mean they're created equal. Definitely not the case. This one has the big doors on the back, which is going to be the biggest cab. If you get the short doors on there, you got about the same room as a Honda Civic or something in the back seat. It's horrible. Keep in mind, big doors, big truck. That's the one that's going to give you room in the back. This one does, of course, it is four-wheel drive. Pay attention to that too, because there's a lot of two-wheel drives running around. It does have the tow package. You're going to have the multi-plug there, which is going to help you accommodate any kind of plug that your trailer may have. Outdoorsman package again. You're going to have your spray-in bed liner, which is very nice. You do have your power sliding rear window. Now, this is my favorite part. I love the contrast here. When you look at the color there, absolutely phenomenal. Absolutely love that. And again, looking at the size of this, you're going to have that full size there, which is really nice. You're going to get a ton of room there. You have your rubber floor mats, and look at this. One of my favorite features in this truck. You are going to have your boxes there so you can have extra storage. But wait, there's more. That is removable. Yep. That means you can throw some ice down in there, throw some drinks in there, and you've got a little built-in cooler. Amazing. Underneath your seats here, you're going to have your trays for your storage. You can see that's going to flip up, lay flat. You're going to have a flat floor all the way across both sides. Do that. Awesome option. It just adds another aspect to your truck here. Up front here, we're going to have all of our power options. You have cubbies galore here. You have so many different places to haul stuff. It's really nice. They thought that through very good. You're going to get your power seat over here, of course, side impact airbags on both sides. You have your auto headlamps. You're going to get your Bluetooth control, which is going to stream to your premium audio system, and I'll get to that here in a second. You're going to get your cruise control, and that's going to give you your Tiptronic transmission. That is awesome. You can shift your gears right there. I have a full tutorial on that on our YouTube channel. Make sure you check that out to get the benefits of how to use that Tiptronic and what it's for. This is your premium display here. It's your large display, navigation, Bluetooth streaming, you name it, it's got it. And it's a very large, easy to read display. I absolutely love that. Of course, you got your turn dial automatic transmission. This is the 8-speed transmission, which is awesome. You're gonna have your four-wheel drive system there. And again, your audio controls are gonna be there. You have heated seats, and that's a heated steering wheel. Get out of here. If you don't think that's nice, you have not driven one yet. Push that button, drive this truck, fall in love. It's that simple. You get your oversized center console here. Absolutely love that. Inside here, you're gonna have your hookups there with your USB or auxiliary and an SD card there. Down here, you're gonna have, look at the room. Tons of room. I'm telling you, you got so much stuff to haul. You can haul anything you need here. You're gonna get your power sliding rear window. You're going to have your electrochromatic mirror that tints, and you're going to have your garage door opener there. Very nice. Again, stand back for a second. Look at the contrast there with that white on that brown and tan interior is phenomenal. I absolutely love that combo. I'm telling you, best looking truck you're going to find, best combo there. It is incredible. Absolutely nice. And the condition of this truck, as I finish up here, I'm going to walk around here and let you try to find some flaws on the truck, because I can't. I mean, it's absolutely phenomenal. The truck has been so well cared for. And one thing I just noticed, LED lights on your puddle lights there. Very awesome. This one does have remote start. Again, it was very well cared for. Here at City Motors, we're going to give you a 6-month, 7,500 mile warranty. That is coast to coast with roadside assistance. Coast to coast with roadside assistance. That means if you're out of town looking for a truck, buy this truck. You're covered at home. Wherever you're looking at this truck from, as long as you're in the US, you're gonna get coverage. 6 months, 7,500 mile warranty. We have 0 processing fees here. Do not play stupid processing fee games. They are blindsiding people with these stupid fees. Don't pay those fees. No fees here. Call us at 540-433-7335. Text us at that number 24/7 for immediate service. These trucks are near impossible to find for under $25,000. This one is way below $25,000, especially with no fees. It is crazy. Do not miss this truck. This one has my preferred engine in it, which is that 3.6 liter Pentastar. Awesome engine. Thing has tons of power. 7,200 pounds of tow capacity with this truck, guys. 7,200 pounds of tow capacity. Insane. So if you think that 6-cylinder is not strong, think again. That thing is very strong. You're looking at over 300 horsepower, 7,200 pound tow capacity, because you do get that upgraded 8-speed transmission and that 3.55 gear ratio. Do not miss this thing. I'm telling you, you ain't gonna find better. At 23 miles to the gallon, towing what you need to haul, running where it needs to run, and you're covered with warranty. Get here soon, guys. We hope to see you. Thanks for stopping by.